Say Java for Selenium Part 10, Java Inheritance and Polymorphism. See Java OOPS. Java OOPS. OOPS stands for Object Oriented Programming System. Object Oriented Programming System. See we have four fundamentals of OOPS. See, four fundamentals of OOPS. See, first one, inheritance. Next, polymorphism. Next, abstraction. Next, last one, encapsulation. See, today we will discuss inheritance and polymorphism. Tomorrow, abstraction and encapsulation. See, first I am taking inheritance. See, Java inheritance. Any idea, Prithvi, what is inheritance?
So you mean, sir, normal word? It means, sir, inheritance, like generate one things going to one generation to another generation.
Okay, less clarity or no clarity. Okay, it is a process of inheriting. Inheriting means reusing. It is a process of inheriting the class members. Here class members means variables and methods. It is a process of inheriting the class members from one class to another. Next, the class members, all of you put mute, the class members where the class members are getting inherited. The class where the class members are getting inherited is called as superclass or parent class, or you can say base class. Next, the class to which the class members are getting inherited is called as subclass or child class or derived class. Next, the inheritance between superclass and subclass is achieved using extends keyword. See, observe, inheritance, it is a process of inheriting means reusing the class members variables and methods. See, class members from one class to another, See, this is inheritance. It is a process of inheriting the class members from one class to another. Next, the class where the class members are getting inherited, class members are getting inherited is called as superclass, or you can say parent class, or you can say base class. Next, the class to which the class members are getting inherited, to which the class members are getting inherited is called as Supriya, is called as
Child class.
child class. Uh, Popular name is subclass, first subclass. Say superclass, parent class, base class synonyms. Most of the time we use superclass, or you can use parent class also. Subclass, next, or child class, or derived class, derived class. Next point, see the inheritance between superclass and subclass is achieved using extends keyword. See the inheritance between superclass and subclass is achieved using extends. See, no double quotes for reserved words or keywords, no double quotes for keywords. Here only theory, understanding point of view I am using double quotes, but no double quotes for keywords, using extends keyword. Okay. Dilpreet, did you join? Okay. Ritesh.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, before inheritance, static versus non-static methods. Static versus non-static methods. See, launch Eclipse IDE. Okay, create project. See, file new Java project. Suppose project 1. Finish. Next, create package. Suppose ABCD. Next, create a class. Suppose class 1. Generate main method. Okay. Observe. Guide me, Ritesh. Create one static method without returning value. Static
Okay, but
method.
we will declare outside the main string,
Just
right?
a minute. Before this, create static variable. Suppose static variables. Static variable. Okay. Create one static variable. Suppose static integer type a equal to 10. It is class level variable.
Yes.
Okay. Before main method. Static before main method. Create one non-static variable, instance variable. See, we have three types of variables: static variables, instance variables, next local variables. Local variables we use in blocks, code blocks, conditional blocks, loop blocks, method blocks, etc. Instance variable. Uh, suppose int b equal to some 20. Okay, next create one static method,
Oh, public.
public
So this will be, uh, yes,
static, suppose public static
method name.
method name, suppose ABC, open curly braces, close. It is public
The
return type suppose nothing, return type nothing. See, just a minute. Suppose I want to add A and B. I am not taking any parameters. Already variables are there. Try to use the variables A, B. Observe Ritesh, showing error na. What is the problem? Instance variables can't be used in static methods. Observe the first point.
Static versus not.
Instance variables. See, avoid the disturbance. Can't be used. Instance variables. Just a minute. Can't be used in static methods. Static methods. But we can use static and instance variables in non-static methods. See, we have several differences between static and non-static methods. Our test automation point of view, two differences are important. One is usage of variables and calling methods within the methods. Did you observe this point, Ritesh? What is the point regarding variables?
Sir, the access of static variable and non-static. Sorry,
Non-static
instance variable
variable
and
means instance variables can't be used in static methods, isn't it?
yes, sir.
Suppose A is static variable. Next, create one non-static method. Non-static method. Non-static method. Say public void ABC2, open curly braces. Next, on display statement. Suppose A plus B. It is accepting now. Observe Dilpreet. A is static variable. What is
Yes.
B?
Instance variable.
Instance variable, or you can say non-static variable. Non-static variable. It is accepting. Next, one more difference. Observe. say public, okay, void public static void, suppose ABC3, ABC3. Say it is a static method. Just message is a static method. Suppose I want to use this non-static method in static. Call non-static method in static method. Suppose ABC2. No. Observe Ritesh, it is showing error na.
Yes, sir.
Suppose static method, observe static method name ABC. ABC,
It's a ADC.
just a minute. Okay, I will change this one. ABC. Observe, we can access static method na.
Yes.
Static within static. Access static method within static. You can access. Here we can't access non-static methods. Non-static methods. So it is showing error. Next, create one more static method. Say public void, suppose ABC4.
So it's a static method.
Static, non-static.
Okay, no.
Non-static. See, observe. First one static, second one non-static, third one static, fourth one again non-static. Just a minute. See, it is a non-static method. Non-static method. See, here I want to use non-static method. ABC accessing na access non-static method within the non-static method within another non-static. Next, access static ABC
Sir,
static na, just a minute. ABC2 non-static na. Next, access static method, suppose ABC. See, access static method within non-static method. Observe, suppose you call this non-static method ABC4. First create object, Suppose class 1 obj equal to new class 1 open and close parenthesis. See obj dot abc 4. Run the program. See 3 outputs. First one local output, next 30. This 30 is accessing non-static method. Next this 10 is accessing static method. Getting this point, Ritesh? Tell me this point. Non-static methods. Non-static methods can't be
called
can't
or
be
used.
okay, are called or used. Can't be called is correct term. You can use used or accessed. See, can't be called within the static methods. Static methods. But we can call static and non-static methods
Within the
within the
non-static
non-static
method.
non-static methods. See, these are the important differences between static non-static methods. Getting any confusion?
No, sir.
See, observe. See, you can call all methods. Suppose first static ABC. This is static method. Next ABC 3 also static method. Next ABC 2 ABC 4 obj dot abc 2 2 and 4 non-static, 1 and 3 static. Just a minute. Run the program. See 10 static method. It is a static method. Second static method 10 30. It is a non-static method 30 10. Okay na? See, observe. This is first output, selected one. Second output. What is the second output? Just a minute. Run the program. Observe what happened, Ritesh. Did you observe?
No, sir.
Now observe. We are executing only static methods now. First static method output 10, second static method output, it is a static method and 10. Suppose run the program. See these outputs. First output 10. 10 is static method ABC. Second output ABC 3. Third output non-static method ABC 2. Last output ABC 4 na.
Yeah.
In this ABC 4 we are calling non-static and static methods. Any confusions, Supriya? Supriya? Did you understand the program?
Yeah, it's little bit confusion, sir.
Tell me, what is the confusion?
Can you please explain the program once again?
See, you try to observe these 2 points. What is the 2 points? What is the important differences between static and non-static? First tell me.
We can access first instant variables we cannot access in the static methods.
Static methods.
But
Just a minute. Instance variables can't be used in static methods. But
yes, sir.
we can use static methods in
Static
non-static methods.
Non-static methods
Just
too.
a minute. You observe that one. See here, what is the static variable A? Non-static variable B. If you try to access static variable A, see,
Okay,
it's
sir.
not showing any error. Try to use non-static variable B.
It is showing error.
Showing error means non-static variables can't be used in static methods. One point
Yes,
clear.
sir.
Second point,
Yes, sir.
we can use static and non-static variables in non-static methods. Observe this non-static method. Here we are using A and B na.
Yes, sir.
A is static variable, B is non-static variable. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
See, only static variables can be used in static methods. Non-static variables can't be used. This is clear.
Okay, sir.
But in non-static methods, we can use static and instance or non-static variables. Next, second point, calling methods within the methods. We can call methods within the methods wherever required. Suppose this ABC3.
This is static method.
Static method. Here I am trying to access non-static method. What is this non-static method? ABC2. It is showing error. See, change ABC2 to static. Means we cannot use non-static methods within static methods.
Static methods.
But we can use static methods. Static within static. Okay.
Yes,
but
we can.
Non-static within static is
not possible.
Not possible. Next, come to fourth one. Here, this ABC4 is non-static method. In this non-static method, we are using non-static method.
Non-static method and static.
ABC is static. Static and non-static methods in non-static methods. Non-static method. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Where you are getting confusion?
No, sir. I'm clear now.
What about you, Dilpreet?
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Okay. Okay, na, Ritesh? Static versus non-static methods?
Yeah, clear, sir.
Oh, cool. Next, go to mainstream. Types of inheritance. Types of inheritance. Inheritance. Say in computer programming, we have 3 types of inheritance, but Java supports 2 types of inheritance only. It doesn't support third type due to diamond problem. Say first one, single inheritance. Single inheritance. Second one, multi-level inheritance. Multi-level inheritance. Next, third one, multiple inheritance. Ritesh, you missed the beginning now. What is inheritance?
Sir, it's using the methods and variable from the from another class.
Yes, reusing, inheriting. Inheriting means reusing. Class members means variables and methods from one class to another. say Java doesn't support multi-level inheritance. See, single inheritance. See, I will provide example, then you can get more clarity. First, simple. I'm not following complete syntax, just a simple example. Class B extends class A. Class B extends class A. Observe, Venkat, class B extends class A. Here, which one is superclass? Which one is subclass? Virat. People not responding.
Class A is superclass and
Just a
class
minute.
B is
Venkat told class B is superclass. No. Somebody telling? Who is?
class A, Supriya,
Supriya, continue. Class A,
is superclass.
superclass. Class A,
Class
superclass.
B,
Class B, child class or
subclass.
subclass. See,
Yes.
in this class A, superclass. Next, class B, child class or subclass. Here, you can access class A class members from class B. In addition, you can also access class B class members also. Getting this point, Mamata?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Suppose
sir.
in superclass four members are there. Suppose 4 methods are there. In subclass 2 methods are there. You can access 4 plus 2 6 in subclass na.
Yes, sir.
See, this is
Yes.
single inheritance. Next, multi-level inheritance. Observe example. Multi-level inheritance. Suppose class B extends keyword. Class B extends class A. Next, class C extends class B. Not only 2 levels, you can use multi levels. Suppose class D extends class C, class E extends class D, like this. Here observe, Suleiman, class C, it is subclass, or you can say child class. Next, class B. Class B is parent class for class C. Next, child class for class A. Next, class A. Continue Madhumati, class A.
grandparent class.
Grandparent. See,
Yeah, because
grandparent
class for
class for
class C,
class C and
parent for class A,
yes,
class B,
parent class for
class B.
class B. Okay na? Next, observe Dilpreet, multi-level inheritance. Next, multiple inheritance. Java doesn't support multiple inheritance. Observe, what is multiple inheritance? Example, class B extends class A. Next, class B only extends, suppose class D. This is multiple inheritance. Here two different parents. It is not acceptable na. Conflict na.
Yes, sir.
Suppose class B, we can access class A class members. Again, class, it is also child for class D. We can access, for example, we can access class members for class D. Suppose same class members, same names available in class A, class D, confliction. So, only one parent, two different parents, not possible. This is multiple inheritance. Java doesn't support multiple inheritance. Virat, did you understand this concept? See, three types of inheritance. What are the three types of
Yes, sir.
inheritance?
Single inheritance,
Ah,
multi-level inheritance, and
ah,
multiple
multiple
inheritance.
inheritance. But Java doesn't support
Multiple inheritance.
multiple inheritance. Only single inheritance and multi-level inheritance. Okay, next I will show the example, then you can get more clarity. Example, see, just a minute. This is class 1. Create one static method. Static method, suppose, say I'm declaring two variables also, int a equal to 10, next int b equal to some 20. Okay, you can use static or non-static variables and static or non-static methods. Anyhow, we discussed difference. This time I am using only non-static methods. Concentrate. You can use static also. Suppose public void add, no parameters, blank parenthesis. Next, on display statement, suppose a plus b. Okay. Next, create object, suppose class 1 obj equal to new class 1 open and close parenthesis semicolon. Next, obj dot add. Just a minute. Obj dot add. Next, obj dot. Okay, here you can directly display. Actually, you can directly use A also without object. You can directly use, or using method also you can display. What is the problem? Observer Ritesh, what is the problem?
So it should be static. Static
Okay,
A.
it is a non-static variable, not class
Yeah.
level. Okay, but we can access this non-static variable using this method now.
Yes, sir.
Method. Run the program. See. Okay, this is class 1. This is class 1. Next, create one more class. New class. Class 2. Class 2. Observe Dilpreet. Create object in this class 2. Create object.
So class 2
Class 2.
object name
Suppose obj2 equal
equal
to
to
new
new class.
class 2. Next, access the methods. Suppose obj dot obj2 obj2 dot add. Where is add? No add na.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Say extends class 1. Now obj2 dot add. Run the program. 30. Next, access the variable. Access the variable obj dot obj2 obj2 dot arb. Run the program. Just a minute. Just a minute. See, this is class 1. Class 1. Next, subclass. Class 2. Class 2. This is class 2. Okay. Say we are using inheritance. Observe, observe Mamata. Without inheritance, I want to access methods from class 1 without inheritance.
Okay. Okay, sir. Yeah, we have to create the object for class 1
Class
in
1.
class 2.
Just a minute. See, instead of this one, class 1, create object in class 1. Class 1. Then you can access without inheritance. Run the program. Getting this one? Just a minute. Supriya, did you understand this concept? Same package na?
Yes, sir.
Without inheritance also we can access. How? Create
We are
object
creating.
using parent class name.
Yes, sir.
See, this is with inheritance. With inheritance. Next, create object in subclass only. Create object using subclass only. Next, another one. See, without inheritance, create object using superclass. Superclass in the same package. In the same package. Next, another package. Another package. Create one more package. Virat. See, select project and right click, new package. Suppose XYZA. Okay. Next, create one class. This one in this XYZA package. Say class. Suppose class 3. Class 3. Class 3. Next, create object using superclass. Superclass. Guide me, Supriya. Create object using superclass.
Yes, sir. Class 1.
Class 1 means we are going to access here. How to know superclass? We are going to access class members from class 1. That's why class 1 is superclass for this class 3. See,
Yes, sir.
same
Object
project,
name.
but different packages na.
Yes, sir.
Class 1, suppose obj3 equal to
obj3 new class 1
new class 1
open close
parenthesis.
semicolon parenthesis.
So it is showing error na. It's not recognizing class 1. Here we have to import. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Import that ABCD package to this package.
Okay,
Import
sir.
now. This is user defined package.
Oh,
ABCD
okay.
is package, class 1 is class. Okay. Next, now you can access obj3 dot add.
add method
Next,
open semicolon.
suppose if you want to access variables, suppose obj3 dot b.
B.
It is not accessing. obj3 dot only method. Observe Ritesh.
Again, it's the non-static variable, right?
Variables. Just a minute. In class 1,
there is
suppose.
non-static variable.
But earlier we accessed na. Suppose earlier we accessed in same package. Suppose int c equal to 30. Are you not getting? Only method we are getting. Only method. In just a minute. Suppose extends class 1. Not getting Ritesh. remove this extents. We are accessing methods, run the program, 30. Import statement. Say this one, without inheritance, without inheritance, creating object using superclass in another package. Another package by importing the package. By importing the package. Okay, na Supriya, by importing the package without
Yes, sir.
inheritance, you can access na.
Yes, sir.
Next, suppose if you want to create object in class 3, in home class, suppose class 3. Inheritance required na?
Yes, sir.
Extends.
Complete class.
Extends
Class
class
1.
1. Now you can access 30. Suppose just comment this one. No. Import is mandatory. Run the program. Observe Dilpreet. Tell me the comment for this one, Dilpreet.
Inheritance,
With inheritance, create object using
child class,
child class in another package by importing the package. Next, another project. Suppose create one more project, say Java project, project 2, next project 2. Here create one package, suppose ABCDE2. Next create one class, class 4. Class 4. See class 1 obj4 equal to new class 1. Next, okay, observe Ritesh, fix the project setup.
Sir, in just the import
Add project 1 to build path project 2. Now added. Okay na? Now access that method obj4 dot add. Run the program without inheritance. See, these are public methods. This one, public methods. Just a minute. What about private? Write comment for this one, Dilpreet. Dilpreet. Supriya.
Yes, sir.
Ah,
Without inheritance,
without inheritance.
we can create
Without,
object in another
just a
we can
minute.
create object of
Without
superclass
inheritance. Next, create object.
using superclass.
Object using superclass.
In another project.
That another project. That from another project. Another
Okay, sir.
project. Okay. Next, with inheritance. See, first comment. With inheritance, create object using child class. Child class. Say, extends class 1. Suppose class 4. Class 4. Run the program. Say. Next, make it private. Make it private, Ritesh. Suppose this is public method na, class 1. Make it private.
By just writing private.
Private. Suppose class 2. Class 2. Observe what happened. Using superclass name, we are creating the object na. But it is
Yes,
showing
but
error na.
yeah, because it's private.
Private. You try to use extends. Extends class 1. No. Not reusing. Next, suppose make it default. Default means you don't need to specify any keyword. Now you can access default method from subclass now. Remove
Yes,
this
sir.
Yes, but
inheritance. Remove the inheritance. Yes, without inheritance. Next.
so
Ah,
default will be the public, right?
pardon?
Default will be the public
See, in
class.
Java modifiers chapter I explained. Default is not public. In VB script, default is public, but here default is another type, not public. You recollect Java modifiers. There we discussed now. Protected default. Default is another modifier, but you no need to write default keyword.
Okay. So total there are 4 modifiers.
4 modifiers. Observe this is, oh, this default is not. What is the problem? Default methods are allowed only in interfaces. If you don't write any modifier, that is default modifier. Suppose protected modifier. You can access protected, but private not accessible. Okay na?
Okay, sir.
See next, multi-level inheritance. Multi-level. Just a minute. multi-level. First one is example for single level. Example for multi-level inheritance. Just a minute. So I'm deleting these classes. Okay. See here, create class 1. Class 1. See, suppose int a equal to some 10, int b equal to 20. Next, public void add, say, display a plus b. Next, access this method, create object, see, class 1 obj equal to new class 1. Next, obj dot add. Run the program. See 30. Just a minute. This is class 1. Class 1. Next, class 2. Class 2. Create object in class 2 only. Class 2 obj2 equal to new class 2 semicolon. Next, obj2 dot add extends class 1. Class 1. Now you can access, add. Run the program. Okay. Next, observe. See in this child class also same method available, same name. Suppose a equal to 1, b equal to 2. Then what will be the output, Supriya? Say same method names available in child class and super class and parent class or child class. Now what will happen?
Addition
What is the output?
3.
3. Output 3. Run the program. 3. See, first priority goes to local class. Suppose in this local class not available, that method not available, then priority goes to parent class. This time 30. Getting this one, Venkat? Okay, Venkat. Saloni. Next, create one more class. Class 3. Class 3. Create object in this class 3. Class 3 obj3 equal to new class 3. Next, obj3 dot add, no add, extends class 2. Class 2.
But I think
Pardon?
we cannot call the void method non-static method from the static non-static class from the static class, right?
Non-static class?
No, I'm good, sir.
Say, run the program. 3. Observe Dilpreet. For this class 3, parent is class 2, grandparent is class 1. Suppose in this parent add method is there. First priority local. Here no add method. Next priority nearest
Parent
parent.
class.
Nearest parent. Run the program. 3. Suppose in this nearest parent also no add method. Just a minute. Just a minute. No add method. Then it will check grandparent na.
Yes, sir.
Then result will be 30. Run the program. 30. Just a minute. To remove comment. Next, in this class 3 also same method. If it is another method, no issue. Suppose if it is same method, then you can check the priorities. Suppose A 100, B 200. Now what is the output, Mamata? Observe the same class add method available. Next, parent class also add method available, and grandparent also add method available. Then what will happen? What is the output?
Sir, it's 300.
300. Run the program. 300. Suppose in the local class no add method. No add method. Then priority goes to nearest parent. See, this time result 3. Output is 3. Suppose in the parent also no add method. Next, grandparent. The grandparent add method available, it will access that method. Say output will be 30. 30. Okay na Virat, any confusion?
No, sir, clear. Thank you.
Sir, in class 3, if we have class 1 object.
Just a minute. Yeah, just a minute. I'm going to explain. Who is asking?
Sir Dilpreet.
Just I'm going to explain. After explaining that concept, you can ask.
Okay, sir.
Say class 1, class 2, class 3. Suppose in these 3 classes same method available, but I want to access add method from grandparent only, not from the same class. That time you create object in grandparent. Suppose I want to access method from parent. Create object in parent. That is not comes under inheritance. Create object in parent. Suppose class 2 obj 4 equal to new class 4 new class not 4 2 obj 4 dot add. Next, just a minute. I want to access grandparent add method. Class 1 obj 5. Now observe the outputs. First output 300, second output 3, third output 30. Run the program. 300, 3, 3. It is 3 class 1 a plus b.
Sir, the object file should be in the last.
Oh, object name problem. Run the program. 300, 3 and 30. Okay now. Next, here one small assignment to you, Ritesh. You are not sending assignments. Small assignment to you. What is the use of inheritance? Without inheritance also, we are accessing parent class methods na.
Yes, sir.
Then what is the primary advantage of inheritance? See, theoretical assignment. Okay na?
Okay, sir.
Fulfilled by this weekend. Okay.
Yeah,
Now
sure,
ask
sir.
me, Dilpreet. Dilpreet.
Sir, I got the answer. You
Okay.
have already explained it. It's
Cool.
okay now.
Cool. See, first one, this is class 1. Class 1 already copied. Just class 2. Class 2. Class 2. Next, class 3. Class 3. See, this is about inheritance. Next, come to another topic, polymorphism. Polymorphism. See, just a minute. Polymorphism. Polymorphism. Say, existence of object behavior in many forms. See, simple meaning definition of polymorphism. Existence of object behavior in many forms. See, existence of object behavior in many forms. See, this polymorphism word from Greek words, two Greek words, poly and morphs. Existence of object behavior in many forms. Next, we have two types of polymorphism in Java. two types of polymorphism. One is compile time polymorphism. Compile time polymorphism or method overloading. Method overloading. Next, runtime polymorphism. Runtime polymorphism or method overriding. Method overriding. See, we can achieve polymorphism in two ways. One is by method overloading, another is method overriding. See, first one, I am taking the first one. Observe Mamata. First one. Compile time polymorphism or method overloading. What is method overloading? If two or more methods with same name in the same class, but they differ in following ways. See, why we write two or more methods with same name? See, sometimes for easy maintenance and easy understanding purpose, we use same names. Suppose we have three operations. Three operations, addition only, add only. First operation adding two numbers, second operation adding three numbers, third operation adding five numbers. That time you use add name for all methods. Based on parameters, you can access methods. See, for easy maintenance and understanding point of view, we use same method names. Yes, we can use same method names, or you can use different method names also. See, for easy maintenance, we use same method name. Sometimes, if required, you can use, otherwise you use different names. See, first come to this one, method overloading. What is method overloading? If two or more methods with same name in the same class but they differ in following ways. Observe Mamata. First one, number of arguments, or you can say parameters. Next, type of arguments. I will provide the example, then you can easily understand this method overloading. See, suppose create one class, just a minute, you remove all these, otherwise you can create new class, no issue. Class 1, class 1. Create methods. Suppose public void. Observe Mamata, not only return type nothing. You can create return type methods also. See, for easy explanation, I am using return type nothing methods, but you can reuse return type methods also. Okay, na?
Okay, sir. Okay,
See,
sir.
public void add, method name is add. Suppose int A, int B. See, these are the two arguments or parameters. See, operation is addition. Suppose A plus B. Next, same method name. Same method name. Observe, it is showing error, Mamata. Suppose second method purpose is adding 3 numbers. Now it is accepting now. Same names
Yes,
but
sir.
different number of parameters.
Yes, sir.
Next, suppose add, suppose just a minute, double A, double B, double A, double B. Observe, Mamata, first method, third method, number of parameters same na, two parameters only na,
Yes, sir. But the
but
type is different.
data type different. Next, observe first two methods, type of parameters same na, but different.
Parameters are different, sir. Number of
Number of
parameters are
parameters
different.
different. Type of parameters same. Okay. Now
Yes.
access. You can access. Create object. Suppose class 1 obj equal to new class 1 open and close parenthesis semicolon. Next obj dot. See, observe Mamata. Here it is showing 3 add methods na.
Yes.
But parameters different. Okay, you can select any one. See, suppose select int A, int B, then provide 2 integer parameters. Suppose mistakenly I selected double. No issue. Based on parameters only, it will consider. Suppose I am entering integers, 2 integers. That is only context help. 2 integers. Then it will access first method now. Why it access
Yes,
first
sir.
method? Based on that parameter values.
Yes.
It will show 30. Suppose obj dot add, suppose 10.234, next 4.567. Then it will access second method now. Third method. Why? Based on that
Double.
parameter values.
Type.
Next, obj dot add. See, I selected 2, but you enter 3, then it will consider second method.
Second.
10, 20, comma, suppose 60. Then it will show, it will access second method.
Sir, but in second method you displayed as A plus B. You have to
Okay,
display it as A
good.
plus B.
A plus B plus C. Okay, na? Run the program. Just a minute. It is 90. Run the program. All 3 methods with same name accessing now.
Yes.
Okay. Any confusion, Dilpreet? Method overloading.
No, sir, it's clear.
Okay, cool. Next, come to another one. Runtime polymorphism or method overriding. Overriding. Second one. Runtime polymorphism or method overriding. What is method overriding? We already discussed, indirectly we discussed that method overriding concept in inheritance chapter. If two or more methods available in the superclass and subclass, that concept is called method overriding. See, if two or more methods available with same name available in the superclass and subclass, this concept is called method overriding. Already indirectly we discussed that one. Observe. Suppose a add method, add method. Okay, I'm removing the parameters. If you use two parameters, okay, you try to use three parameters. Or you can use two also, two parameters also. Suppose class 2, see, extends class 1, create object in class 2 obj2 equal to new class 2, new class 2. See, public void add say I'm just going to use local variables. See, observe. Suppose 1 2 1 3. See, obj2 dot add obj2 dot two. Run. It is accessing both. For example, just a minute. Method overriding. This is one example. Overriding. Next, suppose no parameters. Int a equal to 100, b equal to 200. Okay. It is obj observe class 1 obj.
Sir, add parenthesis missing. Public void.
Public void. Okay. Add. See, now same methods. Observe, only one add method it is showing. Why? No different parameters, no different type of different type of parameters, no different type in number of parameters, no parameters first of all. So it is showing only one method, class 2 method only. First priority here, observe, class 2 only. See, method overriding. Observe, Ritesh, if methods override, then what will happen?
So it will take
First
precedence
priority
over
goes to
local.
class. Okay, na? Run the program.
Yes, sir.
Local class. Suppose in the local class, if no such method, then it will access a method from superclass. See, just a minute. See, if arguments are differ, you can access all methods from superclass and subclass. But if no arguments, first priority goes to local class only. This is method overriding. By method overloading and method overriding, we achieve polymorphism. See, I'm going to close the session. Tomorrow we will discuss remaining two, abstraction and abstraction and encapsulation. Today we discussed inheritance and polymorphism. Tomorrow, abstraction and encapsulation, and one more concept also there, interfaces. Tomorrow we will discuss interfaces also. I'm going to close the session. Any queries, Dilpreet, regarding this today's class? Any queries?
No, sir.
Madhavi, I forgot Madhavi today. Madhavi, any queries? Today you joined late na? Madhavi, I am not hearing you. Madhumati.
Yes, sir. I'm good. Thank you.
Okay, cool. Mamata.
Sir, yes, sir. I have a question in overriding. So how can we access the parent class methods with the same name? So I didn't get that idea.
Just a
I
minute.
mean, we have if you have a same method names in different classes, so then without any parameters, that is the concept of overriding. Then how can we access other class methods
Already we
in
discussed
this?
that concept in inheritance. Concentrate. How to access. You, okay, Madhavi. Okay. You can you can access superclass methods with same name by creating
Okay.
object using superclass na.
Okay, sir. Oh, okay.
Just a minute. We already discussed. Suppose here, if you execute this script, what will happen? It will access local class
Yeah.
only na. Suppose
Yes, sir.
I don't want to access local class. I want to access superclass only. You create object in superclass.
Okay.
Then it will access. What is the output? Now it is 100 and 200, 300. Run the program. Now it is showing
Okay, sir.
300 now.
Yes, yes.
Any other?
Nothing.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm done.
Cool. Next, Mamata. Any queries, Mamata?
Yes, sir. No, sir. I'm done with the questions.
Okay, cool. Prithvi Pal Singh.
Yes, sir.
Any queries?
No, sir. No, sir. I'm fine, sir.
Okay, cool. Ritesh.
No, sir, I'm good. Thank
Okay,
you.
cool. Saloni, you try to overcome the problem. Otherwise, no interaction. Suleiman.
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay, Saloni. Okay, Suleiman. Supriya. Any queries regarding today's class? Inheritance, Java, inheritance and polymorphism.
I'm fine, sir. Thank you.
Venkat. Welcome, Supriya. Venkat. Okay, Venkat. Virat.
I'm good, sir. Thank you.
Okay, welcome. See, we'll meet tomorrow, same time. Thank you.